pogi na ba ako? Pogi na ba ako? Ang tingin mo, pogi na ba ako? Let's do this! Hello! Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? This is DMRPH again and welcome to my diary. The diary of a motorcycle rider Philippines! Number 1. Joke lang. For the win, baby. For today, we are here in Ortigas trying to pass all of these cars because we are going to Cainta City Hall. Yeah, baby. And we are going to take part in this year's Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Woo! So what is this DGR all about? It's about prostate cancer awareness. But first of all, before I continue, here is my intro. Please do subscribe and notify yourselves for future videos. Papunta po tayo na Cainta City Hall today to witness the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride that's going to happen all around the globe. So ano nga po ba itong DGR? Ano? You donate for a cause. So what is this cause? Prostate cancer patients? Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? It's for the research. It's to help those in need and who is suffering from depression because of prostate cancer. Hindi po biro yan. Let's all fight cancer together. Riders, ordinary citizens, whoever, wherever, whenever. All day, every day. Let's fight cancer together all around the world. So yun po, you donate and you go ride. And don't forget to be dapper, baby. So I'll see you guys there pagdating ko doon sa may Cainta City Hall.
A few inches later.
Napakagandang araw po today for a ride, no? And I think the number of registered motorcycles this year here in Manila alone are overwhelming. Yeah, and so far we've raised around $5 million worldwide. Ba't ako wala nag-donate? Yeah, only myself. So pinost ko siya sa aking Facebook page. Pero walang nakakaalam nitong DGR, no? Well, the location itself is top secret until further notice. So if hindi kayo nag-register, you wouldn't know where to go. Kahit yung ibang mga nag-register ay nahihirapan hanapin kung saan sila pupunta. So here in the Philippines alone, marami pong cities, maraming areas, maraming regions who's participating. Ganda, no? Ang gandang tignan pagka ganito yung ride, no? Yeah, big shout out to you guys.
Area 1, sir. Area 1.
Area 1, where is it? Right?
This is
Alright, thank you. Whoa. What is this? What is going on with my socks? It sucks to be my socks right now. So titigil po muna tayo dito. Tatanungin natin kung nasan yung ating mga kasama.
A few moments later.
Hello! Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Ito po yung aking get up. Hindi ko napapakita yung baba. Saka lang. We are now here in Cainta City Hall. We're in behind me. You can see the riders grouping together para po sa DGR 2019 here in Metro Manila. Later, papakita ko po sa inyo what's going on there and yung mga rides especially. So again, this is for a purpose. This is for prostate cancer awareness, for the research, and to help our fellow gentlemen na ma-overcome itong prostate cancer, no? So yeah, I'll show you guys what's going on there.
yeah, ito pong distinguished gentleman's ride ay iikot pa po muna, no, sa may Quezon City Circle bago pumunta ng Metro Walk. That is where we will end up. Patakbong Shopee lang po tayo ngayon, ano? Takbong gentleman. Ay nako, kahit na hindi tayo gentle, magpapaka-gentleman tayo today. Tingnan nyo naman yung aking itsura. At tignan nyo naman yung itsura ng aking mga kasama. Napakalupit ng mga yan. So yeah, bahala na kung paano tayo makakarating dun at kung ano ang ating takbo. So you guys join me as we ride going to Quezon City Hall. Tapos pupunta na tayo ng Metro Walk. Hello there, cutie. That's so cool. Ganda talaga tignan, ano? Lalo na kung sama-sama tayo sa ating passion, which is riding our motorcycles. Oh no, it's raining. Damn, son. Tuloy ang ligaya. Woo! Well, pogi pa rin kami kahit umulan. We're here, stuck in under this LRT2 railway, no? Dahil as you can see, sobrang lakas ng ulan, grabe.
One eternity later.
Hello! So we are now here in Quezon City Circle. Yeah, nakikita nyo naman po all around me are beautiful bikes, no? And they keep coming. So pupunta po tayo dun ngayon, and this will be the second meetup for the day, no? Ayan, papakita ko po sa inyo yung mga rides dito.
hours later.
Thank you. So, yeah. Dapat nagkotse na tayo. So, yeah, we are now here in Metro Walk. At, naparada ko rin yung aking motor. As you did see there. Hawakan mo sa kabila, pare. Dito, sobra, chong.
Hindi pa kita nakikita tumatayo eh.
Diba? Sobra.
Oh, man. Ganito, sumapat ka sa akin. So, we're now here in Metro Walk. As you can see right now, sobrang pawis. And dito na po tayo nag-park because wala tayong pa-parkingan doon sa Motoheritage area. Kaya dito na tayo nag-park kasama yung ibang ating mga kaibigan. So, yeah, let me rest a bit and I'll bring you to the Motoheritage event over there. See you guys later. Bye.
So, ayun. I'll bring you guys inside the Motoheritage event going on here in Metro Walk. In a while, you'll be seeing some classic motorcycles. Yeah. But for now, ito muna. So ayun, simula pa lang yan at papasok pa lang tayo ngayon sa Metro tent here in Metro Walk. Yeah boy! So hintay-hintay lang po kayo sandali dyan. At makakarating din tayo doon. Chillax boys and girls. So again, this is DMRPH and this is the end of our DGR 2019 ride. And we are now closer to the Motoheritage event. Ito po yung Scrambler Day 2019. I'm a member of this group, so enjoy your eyes, feast your eyes to some Scrambler Ducatis all over. Yeah, yun na po yung pagtatapos ng aking trip for today, yung ride for today. Yes, hello to Sir Christian, aking kagrupo from Tambay, Pilipinas. Yay! So ayun, pauwi na po kami.
Tiis pogi sa init.
Tiis pogi sa init.
For a cause naman, for a cause.
Ha?
For a cause naman.
Yeah, for a cause. Tapos na po yung ating ride for a cause today. Yung DGR 2019 and yung pagbisita natin sa Motoheritage. So again, a big shout out to RidePH for that Motoheritage weekend. It's yesterday and today, Sunday. So ayun po, pauwi na po kami dahil super init. No? So again, thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe and notify yourself. No? So ayun lamang po. Babush!